When I first started coaching, all the entrepreneurs were mostly older than me, and now I'm mostly older than all the entrepreneurs that I coach. As a matter of fact, struck me just about a month ago that I have a 27-year-old and I'm 50 years older than him, so I'm coaching individuals who are, 5 decades younger than I am. But it's all entrepreneurism. And entrepreneurs from around the world automatically recognize an entrepreneur. But I can tell you when most entrepreneurs aren't interested in another entrepreneur, and it's when the entrepreneur said, I want to get to a point where there's no more risk in my life. Okay, I'm really, really tired of taking risks. I'm really tired of having to spend my time being courageous. And I've done all that, and I've got great cash flow, and I got great net worth, and I've got a team that supports me, and my company can almost run without me. And so that's where I am right now, and this was a goal to get here, and I'm there. And instantly, that person who tells that story is no longer interesting to other entrepreneurs. And I think the reason is that a fundamental, constant aspect of being an entrepreneur, if you're a real entrepreneur, that you're always creating something in the future that you have confidence that you'll achieve it, but you don't have certainty what it's going to take, and that requires courage. You're stating something as a goal that's beyond your present capability, it's beyond the present capability of your company, and now new things have to be understood, new things have to be learned, new things have to be mastered, and there's a period of fear. There's a period of fear, and when you have fear, you have to have courage. Okay, so I just want to tell you that the moment entrepreneurs get to the point where they've got everything handled and they can put their life, their business life, on cruise control, in my mind, they cease to be entrepreneurs. Okay, because the entrepreneur, the very definition of entrepreneur, and this goes back to 1804, and this is a French economist by the name of Jean-Baptiste Say, and he gave a definition of entrepreneurism. It's the first one I've come across. It's the earliest definition of entrepreneurism. And Jean-Baptiste said, an entrepreneur is someone who takes resources from a lower level of productivity to a higher level of productivity. Okay, that means that you take something that's only valuable here and you make it more valuable. And I have found that that takes new initiative, that takes new ingenuity, it takes new organization to do that, and all three of those things, intention, ingenuity, and organization, all take courage. And so I will never reach the point where I don't have a bigger project out in front of me that scares me, and I only want to coach those entrepreneurs and be in collaboration with those entrepreneurs who are doing the same thing. So staying honestly and energetically scared keeps you young as an entrepreneur.